Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C32 Parking and Highway Improvement License and Exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C32 contractor license? A C32 license is issued to a contractor who applies and installs protective coatings, vehicle stops, guardrails, and mechanical devices, directional lines, buttons, markers, signs, and arrows on the horizontal surface of any game court, parking facility, airport, highway, or roadway constructed of concrete, asphalt, or similar material. Now, there are some basic requirements to be a C32 licensed contractor. You have to be at least 18 years of age and have a valid driver's license, a social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements, having 4 years of full-time level experience and then a qualified person to sign off and document your experience, such as another licensed contractor, maybe an employer or supervisor. Now, what to expect during the test? The test is closed book, so no reference materials can be brought into the testing facility. No notes, no books of any sort. The questions are going to be set up in a multiple choice format, like a ABCD format. There will be some mathematical computations in some of the questions, and we'll take a look at some sample questions in just a moment. And a calculator will be provided to you. The testing is done on site on computer, and the results will be immediate. Let's take a look at the exam and how it's broken down. It's broken down divided into 6 major sections, with planning and estimating covering about 30% of the questions. Surface coatings, 16%, striping and pavement markers, 15%, special applications, 7%, incidental pavement repair, 7%, and safety, 25%. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. What factor must be considered when painting red curbs? If you picked B, accessibility for fire department trucks, that's correct. Number 2, if a gallon of striping paint covers 120 square feet, how many lineal feet of 4-inch wide striping will it cover? 360 linear feet. And number 3, a C32 contractor is seal coating a parking lot. What unit measurement is typically used for purchasing material? D, gallon. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of ABCD questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.